In this video, we listed the 18 cool gadgets that can protect you for cosplay on Amazon, that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name, Nedfoss COUGAR Folding Pocket Knife. The Nedfoss COUGAR Folding Pocket Knife is a compact and reliable EDC, everyday carry, knife designed for versatility, durability, and convenience. Featuring a 2.98-inch Sandvik 14C28N steel blade, this knife ensures exceptional sharpness, corrosion resistance, and edge retention, making it ideal for daily tasks, outdoor activities, and precision cutting. Its lightweight steel handle provides a secure grip, while the button lock mechanism enhances safety and ease of operation. The steel pocket clip allows for convenient carry, making it an excellent option for both men and women who need a razor-sharp, utility-focused tool. Given your interest in EDC gadgets, such as the small pocket knife with carabiner and other practical tools, the Nedfoss COUGAR offers a high-quality, everyday-use solution that aligns well with your collection. Its premium blade material and ergonomic design make it an excellent choice for camping, survival, or everyday cutting needs. Product 2. Product name, byrna SD, Self-Defense, Kinetic Launcher. The byrna SD, Self-Defense, Kinetic Launcher Ultimate Bundle is a non-lethal self-defense tool designed for home and personal protection. This launcher fires kinetic projectiles that can deter threats without causing permanent harm, making it an effective alternative to firearms. Proudly assembled in the USA, the byrna SD is compact, easy to use, and does not require background checks or permits in most areas. Given your interest in security-related products such as the Reolink Smart 5 MP8CH Home Security Camera System, the byrna SD could complement your home defense strategy by providing an extra layer of protection. It aligns well with your focus on practical and reliable tools, much like your preferences for durable, high-performance equipment across various categories. Product 3. Product name, G Outdoors Tactical Range Backpack. The G Outdoors Tactical Range Backpack, black, large, is a durable and well-organized storage solution designed for firearm enthusiasts, particularly those who need a reliable way to carry their gear to the range. This backpack features a heavy-duty, lockable main compartment for secure firearm storage, multiple specialized pockets for ammunition, cleaning kits, and accessories, and a mall webbing system for additional customization. With its rigid honeycomb frame, this backpack maintains its shape and structure even under heavy loads. The 3 removable handgun storage cases provide padded protection for pistols, while the visual ID storage system allows for quick identification of contents. Its water-resistant exterior and comfortable, padded shoulder straps make it ideal for long-range sessions or tactical applications. Product 4. Product name, Portable Knife 6.7-inch. The Portable Knife 6.7-inch is a compact and durable 440C fixed-blade knife designed for outdoor camping, survival, and everyday utility tasks. It features a straight blade crafted from high-quality 440C stainless steel, known for its corrosion resistance, edge retention, and durability. This knife is ideal for cutting, slicing, and precision tasks in outdoor environments. The knife comes with a Kydex sheath, ensuring safe storage and easy accessibility while on the go. Its black and white color options, with the current listing in black, provide a sleek and tactical appearance. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making it suitable for camping, hiking, bushcraft, and other outdoor activities. Given the user's interest in EDC tools, mini folding knives, and outdoor gear, this portable knife 6.7-inch aligns well with their preferences, offering a reliable and portable cutting tool for various applications. Product 5. Product name, TG Plasma Lighter. The TG Plasma Lighter is a windproof, waterproof, USB rechargeable flameless lighter designed for EDC, everyday carry, camping, survival, and tactical use. This dual-arc plasma lighter generates a high-intensity electric arc, making it more reliable than traditional fuel-based lighters, especially in extreme weather conditions. Given the user's interest in outdoor gear, survival tools, and EDC gadgets, this TG Plasma lighter aligns well with their preferences. It complements other survival and camping gear like the Grail GeoPress water purifier, Sportneer compass, and Lachine P4 smart air pump, ensuring preparedness for outdoor adventures. The lighter's durability, rechargeable battery, and waterproof design make it ideal for hiking, camping, and emergency situations, reinforcing its role as a tactical tool for outdoor enthusiasts and preppists. Product 6. Product name Sound Grenade by BASU. The Sound Grenade by BASU is a 130 dB emergency alarm designed for outdoor safety and security, making it a valuable tool for activities like camping, hiking, and perimeter defense. This compact, lightweight device serves multiple purposes, including tripwire activation, bear deterrence, and emergency signaling. The high-decibel alarm can be used to alert others in case of danger, whether encountering wildlife, deterring threats, or securing a campsite with a perimeter alarm system. Given your interest in outdoor gear and survival tools, such as the Grail GeoPress water purifier, Sportneer hiking compass, and Garmin GPS watches, the Sound Grenade by BASU could complement your equipment by adding an extra layer of safety. Its SWAT black variant suggests a tactical design, making it suitable for both recreational adventurers and emergency preparedness enthusiasts. Product 7. Product name Portable Safety and Survival Arm Shield. The Portable Safety and Survival Arm Shield is a metal steel shield designed for multifunctional use, particularly in safety, survival, and defense situations. This shield offers durability, protection, and portability, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Key features and benefits. Material and durability. Constructed from high-strength metal steel, the shield provides impact resistance and protection against physical threats. Compact and portable, designed to be lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for outdoor survival, emergency situations, and tactical defense. Multifunctionality. Beyond protection, it may include features such as integrated tools, mounting points, or additional defense mechanisms. Ergonomic design, typically designed with an adjustable strap or handle for a secure and comfortable grip, ensuring ease of use in high-stress situations. Product 8. Product name Supras Electric Lighter. The Supras Electric Lighter is a windproof, flameless, and rechargeable lighter designed for various uses, including lighting candles, barbecue grills, and for outdoor activities like camping. It features an arc plasma ignition system, making it a safer and more eco-friendly alternative to traditional lighters since it does not rely on fuel or open flames. This particular model, available in champagne gold, includes a USB rechargeable battery, ensuring convenience and long-term usability. Additionally, it is equipped with a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, making it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor applications. Given your interest in household kitchen appliances, camping gear, and rechargeable tools, this lighter could be a great addition to your collection for everyday use or outdoor adventures. Product 9. Product name Securityman 2-in-1 Door Security Bar. The Securityman 2-in-1 Door Security Bar is a versatile home security device designed to reinforce doors and sliding patio doors against forced entry. This 2-pack security bar set features interchangeable caps, allowing it to function as both a door security bar for hinge doors and a sliding door security bar for patio doors. Constructed from heavy-duty iron, it provides durability and reliability for enhanced safety in homes, apartments, and travel accommodations like hotels. This security solution aligns with your interest in home security and protection, complementing systems like the Reolink Smart 5MP home security camera system that you previously explored. The Securityman 2-in-1 Door Security Bar offers an additional layer of physical security, making it a practical choice for reinforcing entry points against unauthorized access. The black finish ensures a sleek and discreet appearance, while the adjustable design allows for easy installation and customization to fit various door types. Product 10. Product name Saber Pepper Spray and 2-in-1 Stun Gun. The Saber Pepper Spray and 2-in-1 Stun Gun is a self-defense kit designed for personal protection, offering a combination of both pepper spray and a stun gun in one compact, easy-to-use device. This product is ideal for individuals seeking a reliable way to safeguard themselves in various situations. Key features: pepper spray. The 0.54 fluid ounces pepper spray has a fast flip-top safety, allowing for quick and efficient deployment in high-pressure situations. The spray delivers a powerful stream to deter potential attackers. 2-in-1 stun gun. The integrated stun gun delivers a painful 1.60C charge, providing an added layer of defense. It can incapacitate an attacker, buying you valuable time to escape. LED flashlight. Equipped with a 120 lumen LED flashlight, this device can help you illuminate dark areas or temporarily disorient an aggressor, enhancing visibility in low light conditions. Ergonomic design. Featuring a finger grip, the design is intended to improve handling and ensure better aim, increasing accuracy when used in an emergency. Rechargeable. The stun gun is rechargeable, reducing the need for disposable batteries and ensuring the device is always ready when needed. Product 11. Product name: Small Pocket Knife. The Small Pocket Knife gift for men is a compact and practical EDC, everyday carry, tool that combines convenience with functionality. With its 1.34-inch stainless steel blade, this mini folding knife is designed to handle light cutting tasks such as opening packages, cutting rope, or performing small precision cuts. Its small size and folding mechanism make it easy to carry on a keychain or slip into a pocket without taking up much space. This versatile tool also functions as a keychain box cutter, making it an ideal companion for daily tasks. Perfect as a stocking stuffer or a gift for adults, it serves as an excellent option for men who appreciate functional gadgets that fit into their everyday routine. Whether it's for camping, hiking, or general utility, the mini folding knife is a thoughtful gift for any man who enjoys handy tools for everyday carry. The knife is designed for durability, offering practicality in a sleek, easy-to-use package that makes it a great addition to any EDC collection. Product 12. Product name: Rechargeable Magnetic Flashlight. The Rechargeable Magnetic Flashlight 20,000 high lumens is a powerful and versatile tactical flashlight designed for outdoor activities such as camping, hiking, and emergency use. With an impressive 20,000 lumens brightness, it provides an exceptionally bright light that can reach up to 1,500 meters, making it perfect for long-distance visibility. The flashlight features LED technology, ensuring a high-efficiency light source that consumes less energy while providing maximum brightness. This flashlight offers 5 modes including different brightness levels and strobe options, allowing users to adjust the light to their specific needs. It also comes with a zoomable function, enabling users to focus the beam for spot lighting or widen it for flood lighting. A magnetic base provides hands-free use by allowing the flashlight to be attached to metal surfaces, making it especially useful for tasks like car repairs or working in the dark. Product 13. Product name: Security Device, Steering Wheel Lock. The security device, steering wheel lock, is a highly effective anti-theft solution designed to enhance the security of your vehicle. This particular model features a full-cover design, offering robust protection by covering the entire steering wheel. The lock is finished in a sleek silver color, providing both functionality and style. With FATCHM approval, it meets high security standards, ensuring peace of mind for car owners. The lock is suitable for large steering wheels, with a size range of 16.4 inches to 17.3 inches, making it compatible with most vehicles. It is designed to deter theft by making it difficult for criminals to steer the vehicle, significantly reducing the chances of a successful break-in. Its heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while its easy installation and removal make it a convenient choice for everyday use. This steering wheel lock is an essential security device for anyone looking to safeguard their vehicle from theft. Product 14. Product name: Jovivi Men's Jewelry Silvery Armour Knuckle. The Jovivi Men's Jewelry Silvery Armour Knuckle is a bold, stylish accessory designed for those who appreciate punk rock and gothic aesthetics. This full-finger double-loop activity ring features an eye-catching silvery armor design, combining edgy fashion with a unique structure that wraps around the fingers. Available in 1 to 4 pieces, the ring is perfect for adding a cool, rebellious flair to any outfit. Its intricate design and durable construction make it an ideal choice for men who love to make a statement with their jewelry, whether for everyday wear or special occasions. This ring suits a variety of styles and is particularly popular among fans of gothic and punk-inspired fashion, offering a perfect blend of toughness and elegance. Product 15. Product name Most Loaded 6-in-1 Tactical Pen. The Most Loaded 6-in-1 Tactical Pen is a highly versatile and practical tool that addresses the limitations of other tactical pens. Combining self-defense functionality with everyday utility, this pen includes a self-defense tip, a built-in flashlight, a smooth ballpoint pen, a bottle opener, a screwdriver, and a hexagonal wrench. These features make it an essential tool for various situations, whether you need to defend yourself or perform simple tasks in emergencies or daily life. This tactical pen comes with 5 ink refills, ensuring you won't run out of writing power when needed, and it also includes 6 batteries to keep the flashlight powered. Packaged in a stylish gift box, it makes for a thoughtful and practical gift. Whether you're using it for survival situations, daily tasks, or simply as a compact all-in-one tool, the Most Loaded 6-in-1 Tactical Pen stands out as a high-quality, multifunctional tool. Product 16. Product name Retiger Dashcam Front Rear. The Retiger Dashcam Front Rear is a high-quality dash camera designed to offer comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. Featuring 4K, 2.5K Full HD resolution, it captures crystal-clear footage, ensuring that all important details are recorded while driving. This makes it an excellent choice for users who prioritize safety and clarity. The dashcam includes a 32GB card for convenient storage, so you won't need to worry about constantly transferring footage. Additionally, it comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing you to easily access and share footage via a smartphone app and track your vehicle's location and speed. The 3.16-inch IPS screen offers a clear, vibrant display, while the 170 degrees wide-angle lens ensures that you capture a broad view of the road, both in front and behind your car. The WDR, Wide Dynamic Range, technology enhances image quality, especially in challenging lighting conditions, and night vision ensures clear recordings even in low-light environments. Product 17. Product name Stair Assist Cane. The Stair Assist Cane is a mobility aid designed to provide support and stability while navigating stairs, making it easier for individuals to go up and come down stairs with less effort and impact. Ideal for users with limited strength or balance issues, this cane features a unique design that helps reduce the strain on the user's legs and joints. In the context of the products you're interested in, such as health-focused devices like the Garmin Forerunner 55 GPS running watch or fitness-related tech, the Stair Assist Cane can serve as an essential tool for enhancing mobility and improving safety. It's especially helpful for those who may require assistance with daily activities like stair climbing due to age, injury, or other physical limitations. The Stair Assist Cane works by offering added leverage and support while climbing stairs and minimizing the impact when descending, reducing the risk of falls or injury. Product 18. Product name 7-inch Nakiri Knife. The 7-inch Nakiri knife is a versatile and high-performance kitchen tool, perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks. Made from Japanese AUS 10 high-carbon stainless steel, it offers exceptional sharpness and durability, making it ideal for cutting through meats and vegetables with ease. The ergonomic packerwood handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring precision and control during meal preparation. This multi-purpose knife features a 7-inch blade, which is perfect for chopping, slicing, and dicing, especially for tasks like finely chopping vegetables. The high-carbon stainless steel not only maintains a sharp edge longer but is also resistant to rust and stains, enhancing the knife's longevity. The Nakiri knife design, which is inspired by traditional Japanese craftsmanship, is known for its straight edge, making it well-suited for precise, clean cuts.